All right, we're in Michigan and we're at Lake Michigan. Look at the sand dunes. So we got the camper sitting right on the beach here. But let's do this first. Guess what? We have to put another stick on here. Oh my God, can I reach? Michigan, here we go. Right there. All right, and here's Bruno. All right, let's see what we can see here. Let's go on the beach there. Let's check that out. Oh, okay. Lake Michigan. And look at that, that's a lighthouse. Yeah, you can walk out there, look at that. That is cool. We'll go out there. We'll check that out. Absolutely. All right, let me go out there and we'll make some pictures. There you are, guys. Yeah, stay here. Look at that. Behind me, that's that extension of the pier. It looks kind of like a boat front here. And that's Lake Michigan. My God. Never been up here. No, I must lie. I was born in Chicago, so I was really, when I was young, my parents always went on the beach on that one. Yeah. There you go. And that's that lighthouse. Yeah. Isn't that crazy? And we're camping right on the beach here. Look how cool. And it's windy and cool. It's about, I think, 60 degrees. And actually, yeah, my camper is all the way in the back there by the sand dunes right there. And here's the lighthouse too. Cool. There's Bruno. We're here in Grand Haven. That's what that's called here. Yeah, really cool town. I just went through. Yeah, we got the sand dunes behind it. How cool. Really neat place here. And windy. Here you can see at the tree. And it's 55 degrees. The wind is cold, yeah. I'm definitely not gonna go swimming.